Hi you guys, it's Kaylee. Welcome back to another vlog on my channel. I think I'm going to be taking you guys through another week in my life depending on how long this video gets. I have some fun things planned for this week. I have a designer bag unboxing to share with you guys in a second. I also want to do a portion of the video where I style some different looks specifically for going out. That was requested recently and I thought it was such a good idea because I've been having so much fun lately doing different styling content on my TikTok and also here on my YouTube channel. And going out outfits are always fun. You can amp up your personal style a bit more. I mean, you can do that in everyday life too, but I always feel a bit more comfortable to do it when I'm going out. And otherwise, it's spring in the city, which is one of my favorite times to be here in New York. I have been spending a lot more time outside. I've been doing some work on my personal garden, which you're gonna see some of in this video, I'm sure. I also plan on spending a lot of time with friends. One of my close friends, Lexi, I know a lot of you guys probably know her if you follow me. She is about to leave New York City and move to LA. We have a lot of friend get-togethers coming up. Later today, we're actually going to dinner and to Bathhouse, which is a spa. It's exactly what it sounds like. And I think it's going to be a really fun girls' evening. Also, I mentioned this in my most recent video. I feel like I have to mention it again. My voice is still messed up. I was sick a few weeks ago with the virus that shall not be named. I feel like I'm still having trouble talking, so bear with me here. But now we're gonna get into the designer bag unboxing portion of this video. I am so excited that this portion of the video is sponsored. The sponsor is seriously so cool and I can't wait to introduce you guys if you're not already familiar. So this video is sponsored by BUYMA. BUYMA is a specialty marketplace that connects customers and brands to a unique fashion cross-border shopping experience through their unique platform and personal shoppers around the globe. Here are some quick numbers for you. BUYMA has over 9 million members on their platform. They also have 185,000 registered personal shoppers with access to over 6.8 million items. BUYMA makes an incredibly global experience accessible. It's a great way to discover new brands that might otherwise be unavailable in your country. So if you're hunting down a particular item that you might not have been able to find locally, it's possible that a personal shopper on BUYMA has found that item for you. Now I am going to show you guys my new bag. You might have already seen me wearing this because this video is going up a bit later in the month. So on BUYMA, I picked out this Balenciaga wallet on a chain. A personal shopper in Italy actually sourced this for me and I got it for a better price than I would have got it in the States. But really quick, transparently, I did receive gift credit as a part of my payment for this collaboration. But I am obsessed. This is the perfect going out bag. It's totally gonna go with all my going out looks that I'm gonna share with you guys later in this video. It has this really beautiful black heavy duty chain and I love the all black hardware. It makes the branding a little more minimal and chic. It has this magnetic button clasp and a bunch of different card slots and also space for cash. You can fit your phone in here really easily, a mask if you need one, and the chain actually also detaches if you ever want to use this as a clutch, which is really nice. So yeah, this is definitely going to be my go-to bag when I need something small. You can wear it crossbody or just on the shoulder. I've definitely been eyeing the Balenciaga Hourglass and Downtown bags since they came out. I'm so happy to have been able to get my hands on one through BUYMA. So I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of how I ordered on BUYMA in a moment, but I want to share some quick tips and notes with you guys first. So the majority of the items that you can purchase on BUYMA are actually sourced after the order is already placed. So it's highly recommended to ask personal shoppers on the site for stock availability before placing your order. And personal shoppers are located in several countries around the globe, so sometimes it can take a second for them to get back to you due to time differences. I think another really important thing to note is that BUYMA has a zero tolerance policy for inauthentic items, and they will give customers a full refund if items turn out to be inauthentic. I think that's important to note because you might get the first impression that something might be a little bit off because of language barriers between the personal shoppers in different countries. English might not actually be their first language and things could translate a little weird. I think it's also good to note that BUYMA is a peer-to-peer marketplace. So BUYMA doesn't actually handle the sourcing and shipping. The personal shoppers do that. It's just a method of connecting you to those personal shoppers. So to place your order, you're gonna first find your desired item and then you're gonna click connect with the seller and you can message the seller to ask them any questions about item, and you can also ask for size availability if necessary. shipping. So after you've spoken with them, you can add everything to your shopping bag after confirming that the item is available. Then you can apply my coupon code in the shopping bag and check out. BUYMA accepts PayPal, credit card, and also Apple Pay. After placing the order, you'll hear from your personal shopper with your expected shipping date and tracking number. I think it's also important to note that a customs duty could apply depending on where you're shipping to and from, what the price of the item is. Every country's rules are a bit different. And that's kind of it. It's a super easy process. BUYMA is such a great way to discover new brands and access product from all around the globe. So thank you so much again to BUYMA for working with me on this video. I will have their link in the description box below if you guys want to check it out. I believe I also have a coupon code for you guys. I will have it on the screen here, and also more info about that in the description. So now I want to share some different going outfits for you guys, some different fits that I totally styled this bag with. Okay, so this first going out look I think is so great for going to a more casual bar or for a day to night look. If you're going to be out for the day and want it to be able to transition really easily. I think black is obviously always a good color for that. I mean, I wear some version of a mostly black fit almost every day. Just kind of my personal style. Do with it what you will. But I am wearing this John Galliano dress. It's actually a swim cover up, so it's kind of perfect for summer. Pretty comparable to like a swimwear material. And I found this secondhand. I just threw on this leather kind of menswear inspired blazer on top with a heart choker, oxidized hoops from my brand Statsballett. Balenciaga bag, obviously. I love that it can come off muted in some ways, but a statement in others. These are my perfect day to night boots. They're my Angela Meester combat boots that are knee highs. They're so comfy. Here's a look that's slightly more formal but still really comfortable. I'm wearing this bodysuit by a brand called Tank Air. It's a smaller brand with the same choker and earrings. Obviously the bag. I am also wearing a mini skirt by the brand Misbehave, and I have styled this with my Caperni boots. And if I wanted to throw something on top, I think I would go for a little cropped blazer. I'll show you how that looks. I think it's always nice to throw on a jacket that doesn't really cover up your outfit, but can still keep you warm. Okay, this next one is for more of fun but kind of conservative look. I'm not showing too much skin. I am wearing this Kiko Konstantinov velvet dress. It's so fun and it's a bit longer in the back. It hits right above the knee. I'm wearing it with these insanely tall wedged Ricohen boots. I'm definitely over 6 feet in this look, which is kind of fun. It feels really powerful. I used to hate my height as a teenager, and I feel like I finally started to appreciate it since moving to New York. Wearing the same jewelry, my oxidized hoops from my brand, and of course the hourglass Balenciaga bag. Here's my last look. Again, I think this can be worn more casually, but the shoes and the bag really amp up the look. I'm wearing a vest as a top. This is an old Yohji Yamamoto vest. And then I'm wearing a skirt from my own brand. We actually just restocked these if you're interested. It's a simple black mini skirt, but it has a tie waist and also a tie braid down the back, and you can show as much or as little skin as you would like. I have my same oxidized hoops on. Here's what the bag looks like crossbody. I think wearing it that way is really nice with this look, and of course it's great to be hands-free. And then I'm wearing these Rick Owens stiletto boots. These are such a go-to for me going out. They're quite old. I've had to repair them from the heel breaking a couple times, but they're still going strong. They're definitely my shoe that I beat up here in the city. Good afternoon, you guys. You are coming with me today to run some errands. I need to pick up a couple groceries, and I'm also going plant shopping. I want to get a bigger plant that's kind of more low maintenance for our bedroom. And I also have a couple small empty pots in our outdoor garden, so I might want to add to that as well. I've been having so much fun doing our like mini spring garden on part of our fire escape outside, and it's been such a nice part of my morning routine to just sit out there, read, have my coffee. So yeah, that's what we're getting into today. Otherwise, I've just been getting some work done in my office at home, nothing too exciting. I'm kind of dressed as a TikTok girl today. I'm doing the whole trend where you roll down your jeans. These are my boyfriend's jeans. I didn't go out and buy jeans to do this. That's my Birkenstocks. Also, I was recently gifted these drinks and I really like them. They're like a health and wellness brand called Sun Week, and they make sparkling tonics. This is the turmeric recover one. It's really delicious. Just had a lovely morning at the park. We saw some of our friends with Laszlo that we haven't seen in a while, and it was really cute. I didn't get any clips or photos though, unfortunately. I came home, I made some breakfast. I've been working on editing a video, and then I also want to spend some time today planning out the rest of this quarter. I recently got the productivity planner by Intelligent Change, their quarterly edition. I'm sure you guys have seen like the 5-minute journal, but they also make these planners too, which are these really detailed kind of goal-oriented and journaling prompts with a lot of helpful notes as well. So I'll link this down below if any of you guys are interested, but I want to spend some time on that today. Guys, I haven't spoken to you in a couple days. Yesterday we had a really nice time out of the city. We went to a reservation with a lake in New Jersey for a nice walk, and it was super lovely. Today I am going to a clothing swap that one of my friends is hosting. I think this is such a nice way to consume without shopping. And you know, it's good for your wallet, good for the environment. So I'm doing that today. I don't think I'm gonna pick anything out. I'm gonna try not to because I really don't need anything else, but we'll see what's there. I think a good amount of people are gonna be there. I'm not sure if I'll vlog it. I'm also taking like random beauty products and some like hard seltzers that I got as a gift that have just been sitting in my fridge forever. Yeah, it's such a beautiful day outside. I don't know what else I'm really gonna get into, but we'll see.
I think based on how he reacted to not being able to come to my church.
Good morning, you guys. I have Laszlo on his morning walk. This morning we've had a bit of a change of plans. It really looks like Laszlo's getting an eye infection. Spoke to his regular vet yesterday and they can't fit him in for another week. I'm trying to find a place to take him in this morning. Okay, we just got home. I found a vet that will take him in about an hour. Hi, baby boy. But I thought I would show you guys what I got from the clothing swap yesterday. I definitely picked out a couple things. They're all kind of things that I wouldn't really buy for myself, which is nice. Like one of the items is this sweater. I never really gravitate towards this color, but I'm kind of digging it. It's my friend's mom's. I think this color actually looks kind of nice with the black hair. I'm currently wearing it. I'll show you my outfit in a second. Okay, here's the outfit interruption. So I'm just wearing the sweater with the Balenciaga hourglass bag. These jeans are by a Gold. I shared them in my most recent Farfetch haul. Then I have on my burgundy off-scene creative loafers, and then I just have a leather blazer to throw on top in case it's a bit cold outside. Then there were a lot of athletic clothes to choose from, and I kind of always feel like I need clothes for the park and hiking and whatever. So these little Nike shorts, and these I think are Aritzia shorts. I thought this black denim jacket could also be nice for the park, so I grabbed it as well. And then two random beauty products. I think some of the girls work in beauty that were there. Superberry Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask. I was told it was good. And this R&Co balloon dry volume spray for my hair. I also just got some other really fun like PR gifting in the mail, but I think I'm gonna save it for the next video. Like teenage me would be freaking out. Stuff that I got, which is really fun. And I think it will be nice and nostalgic for you guys too. So I'm gonna wait to share that for the next video because I think this one's getting pretty long. But I think I'm gonna wrap things up here. I need to take him pretty soon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you super soon with a new vlog. Bye!